Hey guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you guys one of the problems or glitches there is in this MG Marvel R. This one is Performance Edition. So sometimes when because the info system is a bit slow, so when you turn on your car and you put the gear on drive and you just start to drive off, the cluster system will be a bit slow. And sometimes when you about to drive or actually driving, and the music, when you are listening to music, the volume does not increase more than level 6. So I'm just gonna I cannot mute the song. I'm just gonna press the volume up. Let's see how it goes. You can see it says 6, and you can see I can increase the volume, but it goes back to 6 because the system thinks is that I'm in reverse. So one way you can increase the volume again like normal. That's when you put your car in neutral or back to drive again, and then back to drive again. So you can see, oh, it goes automatically back to level 12, and I can increase the volume again. So hopefully this will help you guys when you're driving the car and you have some glitches. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.